To delete your Slack account, follow these steps. Log into your workspace. Open the Slack app or visit the Slack website and log into the workspace you want to delete your account from. Access account settings. Click on your profile picture or workspace name in the top left corner to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, click on Profile and Account. Navigate to Account Settings. In your profile window, click on Account Settings. This will open your account settings in your browser. Find the deletion option. Scroll down to the bottom of the account settings page and look for the Deactivate Your Account link under the Account section. Click on Deactivate Account. Confirm deactivation. Slack will prompt you to confirm the account deactivation. They will ask if you're sure, and once confirmed, you will be logged out of your account. You may be asked to provide a reason for leaving, though this is optional. Final steps. If you're the workspace owner, you must transfer ownership to someone else before deactivating the account. Alternatively, the workspace will be deleted entirely if no owners are left.